I'm Heather with WTI. One way that I love to bring in a new season is fresh bedding. Weddingly has this gorgeous set. This is TENCEL Lyocell. This taupe color brings in all the warmth of golden tones that I'm kind of obsessed with. I love how it warms up my room. TENCEL is known for its wicking ability, and the fact that this material doesn't get overly hot, it makes it ideal for bedding. Check out how gorgeous these are. Straight out of the dryer, they have such a nice sheen to them. This particular feel or hand of the fabric has a great texture. These textures can vary. Since TENCEL is made from Austrian eucalyptus, this particular sheet is a little bit thick and also silky smooth. It has a beautiful drape and it's naturally wrinkle and shrink resistant. So I love how laundering goes. They always look clean and crisp, but still feel soft to the touch. And the fact that this material doesn't get overly hot makes it perfect for bedding. This is a breathable and natural fabric. It works well for people with skin sensitivities, and I love that it's made with so very little waste. And with this great elastic back, this can accommodate any depth of mattress that you have beautifully. I totally support the process that it undergoes, and I love how well these sheets last. This is all that I use now, and I couldn't be happier. That's my point of view.